Okay, my wife got a 2015 GMC Acadia, and her check engine light came on, and it was saying something about a vacuum leak. So I put the diagnostics on there, and it said, that's what it said. It said a vacuum leak. So looking online, it said that I had to basically replace the gas cap. So I replaced the gas cap, I reset it, and it did the same thing. The light came right back on. So I just went to the auto parts store, and they ran it again, and it told me that I had to replace the purge valve. So I'm gonna give you a tutorial how to change the purge valve, and then we're gonna check it and see did that take the check engine light off. Okay, here go the purge valve right here. That's the model number right there in case anybody need it. But it's right here. This little thing right here. It's a 10mm bolt. That's right there. And this connector right here. You don't do nothing but pop this off. And then you take this off. Then you unbolt it and then put it back. Get that. The bolt is a 10mm. See, simple and easy. All right, let me grab the other one. All right, other one on there. I'm gonna get it lined up. Get it lined up in there, and don't want to cross thread it. Hold on. All right, we got it on in there. Got that bolt snug. Let's go ahead and connect this on back. Heard that snap. There you go. We're in the game. Now, put this cover back up there. Got that cover back up there. Let's go ahead and put that oil cap back on there. And that's it. Let's see if that check engine light went off. If it didn't, then we'll reset it. All right, well, let's check it and reset it.